Hi, I'm Regina Mosley, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, serving Nash and Edgecombe counties. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a black bean salsa. This is part of our Meds Instead of Meds program recipes. For this recipe, you will need a 15-ounce bag of frozen corn, and you microwave the corn, so we're going to dump that into our bowl. You will need 2 cups of diced tomato, and we're going to add that to our bowl. 1 can of black beans, and they will need to be rinsed and drained. 1 Vidalia onion, diced. 1/3 cup of olive oil, and you want to use the extra virgin olive oil, and 1/3 cup of vinegar. And we just mix it up. And it's very colorful. This is a wonderful salsa to have on these nice warm days. It's a cool and refreshing treat. Doesn't that look pretty and colorful?